Hey guys, let's make the Milky donut. Yay, this is a quick feast of the trending Milky donut. If you have not tried this for your family, this is time to try it out. This is so yummy. Ooh, I couldn't wait. I started enjoying already. This is so great and beautiful. So if you have not tried it for your family, or you're scared of the time you have to wait for it to rise, it's time to try this beautiful recipe. Okay, the ingredients are all listed above. Feel free to explore. You need your flour, yeast, sugar, butter, eggs, warm water, cinnamon, butterscotch, and milk flavor. This is all in one method. Feel free to add everything directly to your mixing bowl. In case you don't have a mixer, please feel free to use your hand and knead this. I have so many videos on donuts that I used my hand to knead. Today, a lot on my head, so I decided to use my mixer. But I'll be putting the videos on the description box below. Feel free to go and explore. Watch and enjoy it, knowing that you can also use your hands and knead this beautifully. All in one method. Add everything directly. And I'm using active instant yeast, so you don't need to activate your yeast at this point. If you're in Nigeria, in the next 20 to 30 minutes, this donut supposed to be ready because of the weather is pretty hot and okay. But here in the UK, the weather is so cold, so I'll be allowing it a bit. So if you're not patient enough, let us 30 minutes. Please go ahead and fry. The main thing, you're doing this for your family. The yeast will help it rise up when it enters the oil. So all in one method. Add everything directly. You can see my daughter's hand, always willing to support and assist. So I'm using my mixing bowl, my mixer today. So feel free to use yours. I'm adding half cup of warm water. First, if the dough is still looking thick, you can drop with your tablespoon little at a time as you fill the dough. Please don't over pour water. If your water is much, please sprinkle more flour to your dough to have a perfect dough. So I'll be using baking paper for this. So I need to cut it out in a very beautiful square shape. So you can see my donuts dough is mixing out so pretty okay, pretty good. The main thing is to achieve an elastic, beautiful texture. Yes, I'm making a quick feast. I can't wait all the time to allow it to rise. So immediately after mixing, we are molding right away. Yes, at least allow this to mix for at least 20 to 25 minutes before you start molding. If you're measuring 100 grams is okay. If you want to have that beautiful white line donut with this quick feast recipe, at least increase yours to 150 because I know you will not be wasting a lot of time to fry it. But if you still want to leave it on 100, you can still allow it for an hour to rise, especially when you are in Nigeria. The weather is pretty hot. But today's zone, I don't have all the time to wait. So I'll be making this in a very sharp and quick way. So I won't allow it to rise all the way. So if you can notice, you will see that immediately after mixing and molding immediately. Some can leave, yes, other recipes I have on this channel, you notice I first cover and allow it for 30 minutes or an hour before I start molding. But today I'm making a quick feast because I know I don't want you to miss out in this trend because of the time consuming. Donut takes a lot of time, so some people are afraid to embark on this journey. So I brought a quick fix to you today to try it. Immediately after making this, you can even leave for 20 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on your weather, 30 minutes, and you just fry directly. The yeast will help it come up, I bet you, especially when you're making it for your family. But if you're making it for customer, please, for the sake of your dough to rise and look so rich in the eyes, please, you can allow it for hours, especially when the weather is cold where you are. But if the weather is hot, 45 minutes, 1 hour is pretty okay. So I left this for about an hour because of the weather here is so cold, and I didn't cover it. I just allowed it. But right now it's time to fry. I have to fry this here in a low heat. Very important. Make sure your heat is pretty low, very low. So make sure you lower your heat very well before you start frying. I'll be using the smallest one down there to try the oil to be sure that the oil is set to start frying. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. All I do here is bake, cook, and decorate cakes, pastries, lovely things I know you will love, snacks and all that. So feel free to be a part of this lovely channel by only clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thanks a million for coming back again, for tuning in today to support me today. So it's time to check our donut. So use the fork or anything you can use to turn it around and to check it out. So you can see our donut is coming out pretty okay. Please, it's very important your heat is on a medium heat, very important, so that your donut can cook right inside, outside, not only cooking outside and the inside is still looking somehow uncooked. So please make sure your oil is very, as in the heat is very low, especially medium heat or even better low, so to avoid any story. So if you have not liked this video at this moment, what are you waiting for? Please feel free to like my video, give me thumbs up. I'm excited to try out this for my family. This is in the evening. I'm making this for dinner because I don't like much eating of pastries, but today's own, the yummy Milky, I can't wait to have a serious text because I'm making it my dinner tonight. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? Oh God, please like my video, please like my video. So in a flat plate, add some powdered milk and you just close up the donuts with the milk, or cover the donuts with the milk. Any way you want to do it, just do it. Yeah, just for decoration sake, for beautifying purposes, that's just it. Make it the way you want. Okay, for the inside, I don't want to do all, add the milk to the inside all, so I'm going to add only on these three I've set aside. So all you need to do is use something sharp or your spoon tip, or you use a knife to make a hole at the center of your donut. The remaining powdered milk, a little powdered milk, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, and more little condensed milk. If it's looking thicker, you add more condensed milk. If it's looking lighter, you add more powdered milk. Just prepare a very drying milky paste. So I'm using my piping bag. Just cut up the tips, make a hole at the center of your donut, and you fill up this beautiful milk jam inside your donut and you enjoy. This is so beautiful. You will not understand till you give it a try. I'm not a fan of eating pastries, but tonight, oh, I was so happy to have a taste of this Milky donut. So feel free to try it, and I believe your family will want donut every blessed day. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video, be a part of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new videos. Look at that beauty. Oh my god, looking so creamy, so yummy. You can understand till you try this. This is what's trending. This is lovely and delicious. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.